Hello students. Today we learn basic concept in geometry. Student, look this picture. What do you see here? What kind of the surface do you need for the making a rangoli? We want a plain surface. How do you start making a rangoli? Start with a dot. What did you do in order to complete the rangoli? Join the dot. Name the different shape you see in the rangoli. We see dot, square, rectangle, triangle in this picture. Would it be possible to make rangoli on scooter or an elephant's back? Not possible. When making a rangoli or paper, what do you use to make the dot? Pencil. We make dot with a pencil. Let's learn point. Student, look this paper. On this paper, this is a point. Capital letters of the alphabets are used a name of point. This is a P point, A point, T point. Student, look this diagram. This is a line segment. Join A and B point. Say line segment. Now let's learn about the line. This is A point and this is a B point. Join the A and B point, and B point is extend with arrow and A point is extend with arrow. Make a line. This is a line. This is a PQ line as well as a QP line. Let's learn about rays. This is sun. This is a sun rays, and this is a battery. This is a battery rays. A ray is a part of line. It starts at one point and goes forward continually in the same direction. The starting points of a ray is a calling origin. This is a starting point. This is the ray. P is the starting point. This is the origins. The ray PQ is not read as a ray QP. Student, look this picture. This is a page. When two or more lines pass through the same point, P is a point, and when two or more lines, this is line, and this is line, more lines pass through the same point, they are called concurrence line. They are concurrence line. And the common point through which the pass is called their point of concurrence. This is a concurrent point. P is a concurrent point. Student, look this paper. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 points on this paper. These points not in one line, not straight one line. 3 or more points which lay on a single straight line are said to collinear points. Points which do not lay on the same line are called the non-collinear points. Student, let's learn planes. This is a table, and this is a blackboard, and this is a cylinder. Table surface is flat. This is a blackboard surface is flat, but a cylinder is not a flat. This is table surface is plain. Blackboard is plain surface. Cylinder is not plain surface. Flat surface is called a plane. This is a flat surface. This is a flat surface. It's called a plane. It's called a plane. This is the plane. Student, look this picture. This is notebook page, and this is a parallel lines on the page. This is page is plane. Lines which lay in the same plane but do not intersect are the said to the parallel to which each other. Student, do this activity. This is diagram. This diagram is this diagram is an intersecting line, and this is parallel line, and this is non-parallel lines. And look this picture. Some student play on the ground. This is a Kho game. Some students sitting straight line. Some students running outside. This is a colliers player. This sitting on one line, straight one line. This is a collier players, and this is running students. This is a non-colliers players, and these students sit in the, this is a parallel lines. This is a parallel lines. Student, let's do this exercise. Look at the figures and answer this. This is a diagram. Collinear points. Where is a collinear points? MOT and RON. This is a collinear point. Where is which is the rays? OP, ON, OR, OS, OR and OM. This is a rays. Where is line segment? Which is the line segment? ON, OT, OR, OS, OP, OM. This is a line segment. Which is the lines? This is a line. RON, OMOT. This is a line. Second question. Write the difference name of the line. The name A, B, AC, AD. This is the name. And D, DC, DB, DA. Match the following A group and B group. This is line, line. This is a line. This is a line segment. This is a plane, and this is the rays. Match the following. Observe the figure below. Name the parallel lines. Where is the parallel? Look this diagram and answer this. Name the parallel lines and concurrence lines and the point of the concurrence in the figure. Look this diagram. This is BA, MC and QD. This is the parallel lines. And CAA and PD. This is the parallel lines. And where is the concurrence lines? This is the concurrent lines. PD, QD and PD. And there is a CA, BA and AA. This is the concurrence lines, and the D is a concurrence point and A is a concurrence points. Students, do this exercise in your notebooks. Thank you.